Hello everyone, today we have a recent product update in our Google Search Console model, which is Metrics Dynamics. You all prefer to visualize Google Search Console data in numbers. Right now there is no need of manual work, you can do it easily in our Metrics Dynamics with all the preset reports. Now you can pick up any period of time. Even the custom one, I would pick up the last 180 days. And you are getting the dynamics for all the main SERP criteria, like query pages, query plus page country, query plus country, page plus country, and metric field like impressions, clicks, CTR, positions, rankings, queries, pages, everything at hand without any manual presettings. Let's play with the filters. For example, query in terms of impressions for the last 180 days. What was the dynamics? And here we are getting the darker the green is, the better the metric is. And here we are getting the queries, we are getting the sum of impressions for over the given period of time, and we are getting the dynamics for the last 6 months. Let's pick up pages by clicks, for example. And again you get what was the page and what was the dynamics of clicks for the last 6 months. Let's pick up, for example, country by rankings. That's interesting to watch this rating. And we are getting the countries with the rankings, the number of rankings they get over the last 6 months. And you can get any combinations you are interested in, query plus country, pages plus country, and to pick up the metric field here and to get a lot of interesting information in dynamics. No manual is needed here, and all the data is at hand as we prefer always to have. And the last to mention is these preset reports just by a separate criteria for the last 6 months. Impressions dynamics, and the same for clicks, positions, rankings, queries, etc. So right now you are getting all the main Google Search Console metrics in dynamics in a separate section. No manual work is needed, and you save a lot of time getting the needed data to be able to export it and work with it as you need. Thank you for your time. I hope you will find this helpful.